Oh, okay, all jokes aside. It's just me.
Yeah. This is
we have taken over the Super Rhys Adventures in the Dragon Badger.
Yeah.
And we're gonna do a heroic unboxing.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Captain America?
Yeah. Are you ready, Iron Man?
Yeah. Let's do this.
Yes. Let's do this.
Rhys, Captain America's toy is
Hold it up for the camera, Rhys.
reassemble gear, and mine is Civil War Iron Man.
I got this.
Hold it for the camera.
I got this.
Nice. All right. Unbox. Heroic unboxing.
Now I'll be complete Iron Man. Scissors over here, please.
I need some scissors. I need some scissors because
Okay.
I got three.
Here, let me help you, Rhys.
Always use scissors with caution or with parental supervision.
You don't open it. You just cut it. Mom's helping mine out.
Okay. It's open here.
Thank you much.
Milk sealed, and this is ugly sealed.
Whoa, it comes with a blaster?
Okay.
Yeah, but mine, the milk sealed is sealed in here.
Ooh, okay, so mine comes with 2 bullets. And then
Mine comes with 3. What does it?
I wonder how you fire it.
You just pull this back and it fires.
Now see?
Thanks.
Okay, so I know
There's
that.
some things in it.
Okay.
Okay, I figured out how to fire. Oh, that's cool. So,
Here you go, sir.
you press A, you put it on there. And I think we need to do a testing.
What?
Uh-oh.
Would you like some help?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll try and help putting the shield back together.
I come with 3 notes. I come with 4 notes. Mom, I come with 3 notes.
Yeah, 3 darts.
Yeah.
Alright, so
Them
hold
for
it like this for the normal shield.
Next.
And then I don't know how to do the rest. Oh, hey Rhys. There you go.
Next.
Alright, I'm gonna strap this thing on.
Okay, Mom, those are buttons.
Let me look.
So Rhys, you put this gun on, and then you go
They attach together.
here. Do you want some help attaching?
Yeah.
Alright, I think it goes I think I need a little help.
What does yours do, Emmett?
So you're supposed to put this down and then, but there's 2 buttons. See? Now,
Wow, that was pretty far.
Mom, I can't get this.
Okay, well hold it up so we can see it. Hold it like a shield. Show me the whole thing. Ooh, so nice.
I think you're supposed to not do that.
Not.
Oh, I think I know what it's. Okay. You're not supposed to have the shield and the gun together. You're supposed to have these off.
No, don't look like a sailor.
I know.
I don't think.
Mom, this will be perfect for my tail. It comes with these those, and it comes with enough things, and a few things, and my milk sealed comes pot, and I'm trying to make it into something cool. Mom, can we use a camera?
Yep. Emmett trying to make that. And I think he's getting there.
Yeah, but you supposed to make all of you supposed to.
The shield and the gun have like 3 different ways you can do it, Rhys. See, look what Emmett did. Ta-da!
One sec.
Almost there, Rhys. Sorry, buddy. There you go. Okay,
Now you can actually.
now
hold
give it to Captain America. Woo! You are fierce and heroic.
Except we don't know how it fires.
We are not sure. We're going to have to work on that.
Yeah. Does it say in the manual?
It does not.
Always be brave!
And always be strong and always be brave.
Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day and like the video and comment what we should do next. Bye!